Now the question before us is, one card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting king of red color, face card, red face card, jack of hearts, spade, and the queen of diamonds. Before proceeding further, we must have the knowledge how many total number of cards are there, how many face cards are in the playing cards, how many owner cards are there, how many ace cards are there, how many spades are there, how many hearts are there, how many cards are of black color, how many cards are of red color, how many diamonds are there. So we will first have to answer these questions or understand these questions so that we may proceed with the answer of this question. So let us have an overview of the cards. First of all, there are four types of symbols on the cards. That is, one card may have heart, other may have diamond, other club or spade. That is, there are four types of suits in the cards, that is heart, diamond, club and spade. Then there are total 52 cards in the playing cards, out of which 26 cards are of black color. You can see here that 26 cards are of black color, 13 are this and 13 are this. Next, 26 cards are of red color. You can see here that 26 cards are black, 26 are red color. Next, out of these 52 cards, 13 cards are spades, which are 13 in number. Hearts, which are of red color, are also 13. Diamonds are also 13. They are of red color. Clubs are black color and they are also 13. To remember which type of cards are red or which type are black, we can remember it as HD. H stands for hearts, D stands for diamond. These are red color. CS, CS means, you can remember it for understanding this concept. CS, you can remember it as computer science. CS stands for, C stands for club, S stands for spades. Clubs and spades are of black color, whereas HD cards, that is hearts and diamonds, are of red color. Next, from this picture, you will find that out of these 52 cards, 4 cards are ace. That is, in this cards, there is no card which starts from the digit 1. Instead of that, the cards have A symbol. These are 4 in number and these are called ace cards. These are 4 in number. Next, 2 to 10. These are 9 cards which have bearing on it 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 9 cards. These are spades. These are 9, which are digit cards. So there are 4 lines of these digit cards. These cards are 36 because there are 4 rows. Then jack, queen and king, these are called face cards because they have a face on it. This is the face of a jack, this is queen, this is king. So these are face cards. These are 12 in number. 4 are jacks, 4 are queens, 4 are kings. You will also observe that out of these face cards, two are black, two are red. You can see here that this king is black in color, this king is also of black color. Here these two are of red color. In the same way, two jacks are of red color, two of red color. Two queens are of black color, two of red color. In the same way, with the ace cards, two are of red, two are black. Next. Now what is the owner cards? These four ace cards plus 12 face cards constitute the owner cards. That is, the face cards plus ace cards are known as owner cards. Now to sum up, you can see that total cards are 52, out of which 26 are black in color, 26 red in color, 13 are spade, 13 are club, 13 are heart, and 13 are diamond in color. You can also see that there is some sort of similarity between spade and heart cards. That is, if we place the hearts in the upward position, lower side upward, and there is some stand below it, it becomes spade. You can further see that face cards, we have seen that there are 12 face cards, 6 are black color, 6 are red color. Face in the face cards, 4 are queen, 4 are king, 4 are jack, and 4 are ace cards, and together face cards and ace cards constitute owner cards. And out of these 16 owner cards, 8 are black in color, 8 are red in color, and the cards which have bearing on it 2 to 10 are called digit cards. These are 36 in number, out of which half are black, half are red in color. We hope we have understood how many cards are there, how many suits of cards are there, how many face cards are there, how many ace cards, how many owner cards. You have understood the same. Now we will proceed with answering the question. Now what is the question? One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. That is, out of these 52 cards, find the probability of getting a king of red color. Now you understand that we have seen that in the cards, kings are 4, 4 king, 4 queen, and 4 are jack. So out of these 4 cards, 2 are black in color, 2 are red in color. We have already learnt about the same. So the total number of outcomes or total number of cards oblique outcomes are 52. So the number of favorable outcomes, that is red color king cards, how many are there? We have find out that these are 2. So what is the probability of a king of red color? 2 over 52, 1 over 26. This is the first part of the question. We can also add that in all these questions, we will use the formula probability is equal to number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes here stands for the number of cards for which we have to find the answer, and it will be divided by the total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes means the total number of cards for which we are counting. If we are to find out the answer of red color cards, we will add it here and the total number of cards will be mentioned here. Now the next is find the probability of getting a face card. We already have learnt that the total number of outcomes or the total number of cards are 52. Now here the number of favorable outcomes, we have learnt that out of these 52 cards there are 12 cards which are face cards. How? We had learnt that 4 are king, 4 are queen and the 4 are jack cards. So number of favorable outcomes are 12 and the probability of getting a face card is 12 over 52. We will divide both by 4. So this is the answer of second part, probability of getting a face card. Next is the probability of getting a red face card. We have learnt that face cards are 12, out of which 6 are black, 6 are red. So we will not now write total number of outcomes, you can write it yourself. We will proceed with the answer of this question. Probability of red face card. Here we will write the number of favorable outcomes. The number of favorable outcomes are red face cards, these are 6. It will be divided by the total number of cards, these are 52. Now we will divide both by 2. So the answer before you is 3 over 26. Now we proceed with the further. The probability of getting of jack of hearts. We had learnt that there are 4 jacks cards, out of which one is diamond, other is HD, you can remember, other is heart, other is spade and the other is CH, that is this club card. So there is only one jack of hearts. So what is the probability of jack of hearts? How many cards are jack of hearts? You can find that it is only one. So what is the total number of cards? These are 52. So this is the answer before you. Now the next is find the probability of getting a spade card. We had learnt that there are 52 cards and out of which 13 are spade cards, 13 are club cards, 13 are diamond cards and 13 are heart cards. So what is the probability of getting a spade? So number of spade cards are 13, that is the number of favorable outcomes are 13. It is to be divided by the total number of possible outcomes. Total number of cards are 52. So the answer before you is 1 over 4. Now we proceed further. Now we have to find out the queen of diamonds. We had learnt that queen cards are 4, out of which one is diamond, other is heart card, other is spade card and the other is club card. So what is the queen of diamonds? You can see that there is only one card which is queen of diamonds. So probability of queen of diamonds, though I am giving very in short, you have to mention number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. However, we are solving the question as you have understood the formula for the same. So queen of diamonds is 1. It is to be divided by the total number of outcomes, that is the total number of cards, which are 52. So this is the answer before you. We hope you have understood this question in a very satisfactory manner. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.